Hello everyone, Stephanie Pettis in the Rolling Studio. I am actually in bed. I'm supposed to be sleeping, but I just couldn't stand it anymore. I haven't had a chance to show my small little haul that I got from the Hobby Lobby for Tim Holtz 75% off clearance sale, along with a couple of other clearance items that I found. It was a quick shop, quick buy, and everything Tim Holtz was already pretty much practically gone, minus the stuff that they had for regular price, which I did not purchase. But let me just start with this. Okay, I got some of the Tim Holtz alphabets, the typewriter deals. They're normally $8.99. I got them for $2.25. I think I got 2 of those. I also got these little, this was actually in there, it came out of my bag. The buckles I got, they were normally, oh, I don't know, let me see, normally $5.99. I got them for $1.50. The little eyelets, normally, well, my camera didn't want to focus. Normally $3.99. I got them for $1. The Tim Holtz quote chips, normally $4.99. I got them for $1.25. Go back there, that way you can see what I'm saying. I got those for $1, the eyelets. The Tim Holtz clipping stickers, normally $2.99. I got them for 75 cents. The Ideology. The Tim Holtz tag press, normally 20 bucks. I got for 5 bucks. And the press creates these little rings. I know I bought some rings as well. Here's what the press creates. These little ring tags. So that's what that is. And I'll be looking forward to trying that out so I get a better understanding. I got 2 packages of these eyelets, $3.99 for a buck. The Tim Holtz ruler pieces. I got it for $1.75, normally $6.99. The compass coins, $1.25, normally $4.99. The pocket watch, normally $8.99, got it for $2.25. And then I got the mini pocket watches, normally $8.99, got it for $2.25. I got these little lanterns for $1.50, normally $5.99. I think I got 2 or 3 of those. I think at least 2 of them. Okay. Here's the other letters. Again, normally $8.99. Got them for $2.25. I got these little frames, normally $4.99. I got for $2.25. And I think that's all I got. Here's that buckle. I think that's all I got for Tim Holtz. I did, and I can't find it. Why it's not in this bag, and I know I have it in my truck somewhere because I was showing a friend of mine. I actually ended up getting a wax set, 2 wax stamps and some wax for $3.24, normally $12-13 bucks. But I don't know what the heck I've done with it. It's somewhere in this mess of a truck. I did get these over 70 pieces sticker pads, 8 sheets for $1.49, normally $5.99. I got 2 of those. I thought I wouldn't pass those up. And then I got these spare parts keys. I love spare parts. I love to use them in embellishments. I use them all the time. They're normally $3.99. I got them for $1. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 of those sets of keys. I got 2 stamps. This one here was normally $3.99. I got it for 28 cents. And then I got a set of grapes that I have already put away. It was like an $8.99 stamp, and I got it for like 25 cents as well, or something to that nature. I got these little chipboard hearts for $1, normally $4. I got the La Petites little butterflies on clearance at Hobby Lobby for $1. I got these newsprint little baby flowers for $1, normally $3.99 or $2.99. I can't really see behind there, it's one of the two. And then I got these wood stamps for $3.24, normally $12.99, and I got those. So OMG is right. And like I said, I did get a wax stamp seal, and I don't know where it is, and I'm so upset because I have been looking to get one of those forever, and I just didn't want to come off the price. And now that I got it, I can't even show it, so bum deal. Also, I went to Tuesday Morning, and they had some graphic 45s. These are the 8x8 paper pad. This is the unique, let's see, the Cafe Parisian paper, and it's really cute. I ended up getting like 3 pads of those. Of course, I got some decoupage and napkins. Let's see if you can get a good look at those. Really pretty blue flowers. The Christmas flowers I got for 90% off. Normally $4.99. I got it for like 90% off of that. Also got this from Tuesday Morning, like a bunch of numbers and one size fits all, and some different stuff that I might could use for my little booth. Normally $3.99, but I got that 40% off. And then I got, let's see what else did I get. Oh my gosh, I got some beautiful wine cork corkscrew napkins I got from Tuesday Morning. $1.49 plus 40% off. And I got several of those, and I got some other stuff, but my stuff's so scattered, and I've been coming in and out of my house trying to handle some business and get some things done, so I know I'm missing things. I have so many hauls I could make, but I just haven't been able to make them. So I'm just trying to show you a few, but I couldn't pass up the Tim Holtz 75% off. There's a Hobby Lobby near me. I'm gonna try to hit again and see if I can't get some more of these deals. If not, it is what it is, but it's hard for me to get around and stop. But for now, if I come back, I'll come back if I can and find that wax seal. If I find it, I'll add it to this video, or I'll do another haul and show you then. So anyway, till then, we'll talk to you later. Good luck in finding your 75% off deals at the Hobby Lobbies. Check them out. They're all over the place. You just got to check your stores and see if they've all started. I know they're all participating. It's just a matter of when, and you got to be quick because they go fast. I've saved about 200 bucks. Not even 200. I'd say about with everything that I got, even including things that weren't Tim Holtz, I'd say I saved about $140 in my total purchase. So anyways, you guys have a good night, and I will talk to you later. Bye.